In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PDF on Webflow. Start by opening the Webflow website. Once you're on the dashboard, move your cursor over your project. When the project options appear, click Open in Webflow to launch the designer. Now upload the PDF to the Assets panel so Webflow can host the file. On the left side of the designer, click the Assets icon, the one that looks like a folder and image. The Assets panel will slide out. At the top of that panel, click Upload. In the file picker, choose your sample PDF, then confirm the upload. Wait a few seconds until the PDF appears as a tile inside the Assets panel. When you can see it there, hover over that PDF tile. In the top right corner of the tile, click the three-dot menu. Then click Copy Link. Webflow copies the public PDF link to your clipboard. At this point, the PDF is hosted on Webflow and ready to use. The first method is linking to the PDF from a button. Click the Add Elements icon at the top of the left toolbar. This opens the Elements panel. Find the button element, then drag it onto the canvas and drop it where you want the call to action to appear on the page. Once the button is on the canvas, double-click the button text so you can edit the label. Right-type the button label as Download the PDF. Say each word naturally as you enter it. Type Download, then a space, then the word the, then another space, and then PDF. When the text is in place, click outside the button to finish editing. Keep the button selected. Open the button settings. Under Link Settings, click into the URL field. Paste the PDF link you copied from the Assets panel. Then check Open in New tab so the PDF opens separately instead of taking the visitor away from the page. To test it, click the preview icon at the top left of the designer, the one that looks like a play button. In preview mode, click your button and confirm that the PDF opens in a new tab. After that, click the preview icon again to return to editing. The second method is embedding the PDF directly on the page with an iframe. Click the Add Elements icon again on the left side. In the search field, type Embed. As you type it, enter the word slowly and clearly EMB, EMB, ED. When the embed element appears in the results, drag the code embed element onto the canvas and drop it exactly where you want the PDF to appear on the page. As soon as you drop it, the HTML Embed Code Editor opens with a large code box. In that code box, paste the iframe snippet. If you're copying it from the pinned comment, paste the full snippet into the editor. Once the code is in the box, locate the placeholder text that says PDF URL here. Select only that placeholder text and delete it, leaving the quotation marks in place. Now, paste the PDF link you copied earlier directly between those quotes. This connects the iframe to the PDF file you uploaded to Webflow. After the link is inserted, go to the bottom right corner of the code editor and click Save and Close. Back on the canvas, you may see a static preview of the embedded PDF, or you may just see a placeholder box. That is because HTML embeds do not always fully render in the designer view. To check the actual result, click the preview icon again at the top left of the designer. Then scroll down to the spot where you placed the embed. The PDF should now display directly inside the page in a scrollable frame. Scroll inside that frame to move through the PDF pages and confirm that the file is rendering properly. When you're done checking it, click the preview icon one more time to go back to editing mode. At this point, both options are set up. With the button method, clicking Download the PDF opens the file in a new tab. With the embed method, the PDF appears right on the page inside a scrollable frame so visitors can read it without leaving the site. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.